people just being idiots just because. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today we're bringing you an episode of, hey, I'm an idiot. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna prove it. All right, y'all. Hey, a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my followers and viewers have sent me some videos to pretty much react to, give my opinion on, and surprise me with. Before we get into this video, please like and subscribe. Just want to say this, first and foremost, whatever I'm about to watch, more than likely is gonna be some crazy driving and just people just being idiots just because. Do not condone any type of reckless behavior. Do not condone idiocy. And even though it is entertaining, let's have it be educational, all right? Let's learn something from this. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and let's get into the first video. Here we go. Hold on. All right. So first of all, this is a beautiful Dodge SRT 10. All right. A truck with a Viper engine in it. And pretty much what he said is, hey guys, see some people standing on the curb. What can I do to impress them? These strangers that I don't know, what can I do to impress them? I know. Boom. Let's wreck my truck. That's exactly what this idiot did. So stupid. It was an open road. Didn't look like anybody on the road was in danger. But just because you're not on the road, that doesn't mean he still can't fly over the curb and hit you. So he's gonna need new rims, new rear end, body. Like, he's an idiot. That's what these videos are, man. Let's just watch it one more time, man. I'm smiling. So deserving. So deserving. All right, let's get into this next video. Takes place in Texas, all right? Texas, I believe, is an open carry state. So you gotta kind of be careful with what you do because a lot of people got the pew pew. Allegedly, this person is really, really drunk or under the influence of something. Now, I don't care how drunk you are. Hold on, let me get some water.
A few moments later.
All right, sorry about that. But anyway, I don't care how drunk you are. This person had to have been under the influence of something. But anyway, it's a crowded, thick parking lot. And this person is in a big vehicle. The worst thing you could do is start playing bumper cars with a truck, okay? And that's what it looks like this person's doing. I'm surprised that nobody started pulling out their weapons and trying to harm this individual driving just to end the situation. It's not good. It's not good. Let's watch it. So we're gonna have to watch it again with no sound just for copyright issues, but let's get it. All right, so let's see. There's a guy in a truck. Looks like some people are trying to talk to him. All right, get out. Don't drive. Come on, dog. And he said, no, I'm gonna take off. Boop, hit a car. And we're gonna keep going. And boop, hit some more. What is going on? Okay, he's just not gonna stop. And I get it if he was trying to take off, like as if he was, okay, he's backing up. Ooh, did he hit that car? Or did that car back up in time? Now, he's just back and forth. Oh yeah. Let's just go off-roading in reverse. But either way, whatever he's doing, he can't say that he accidentally hit the gas and it was just accelerating and lost control because he keeps doing it on purpose. And it doesn't look like he's in any danger. It's not like people are trying to bash his window out. It's not like people are after him. What's he doing now? Oh. Yeah, somebody need to stop him. So yeah, somebody's gonna get hurt. Okay, let's just. This is an idiot. Straight up, it's an idiot. And like I said, I'm thoroughly surprised. Oh man, looks like she kind of got hurt. Get up. Oh, look at the damage. You know, frustrated. I mean, not even frustrated. How pissed off I would be. And whoever that individual is that was driving is lucky that hopefully the owners of those vehicles weren't around, because if, oh man, he's still going. How long is this video? He's just, yeah, exactly. Okay, so we have a cop. Was that a cop, a security guard? They're yelling at him and he ain't doing nothing. What are you securing? What are you policing? If it's happening right in front of you. And I understand, you know what I mean? Like the pressure. Okay, let's see. Bust his windows out. Like, get him out. Or her out. Who's driving? Ooh, okay, here come the cops. Yep. Got the cops' guns on you. Yeah, now you want to stop. Why is it that you... Hey, he got that blank stare in his eyes. Yeah, it might not just be alcohol. You don't want to put nothing on this person. I mean, hey, you know what? Sometimes people... This cop. And he can't even open the door because there's so much front end damage. It's probably wedged and... But why is it that he was doing all this back and forth, hitting everybody? People are yelling at him. Cars are trying to get away. But as soon as the cop put that thing on him, now all of a sudden, he has a moment of clarity. Yeah, everybody's giving each other props and... Yeah, no, that was... So much going on in my head right now. What do you think about that? SUV, crowded parking lot. People already trying to talk to him. So many questions. Why were they trying to talk to him as he already got in the vehicle? If they knew him, they knew he was drunk, I would have never even let it get that far. But once he went forward and hit, he should know that I ain't right. But instead, I mean, how many vehicles did you count? Like, at least 7. At least 7 vehicles damaged. And he's done. He's going to jail. They could charge him with assault with a deadly weapon, you know, using his vehicle. His insurance is going to be sky high. His license is gone. I mean, who knows? But look, at the end of the day, don't be an idiot. Don't be like any of these people that you see because nothing good comes from it. You might think you're cool with the first guy. Boom, hit a curb, done. Money out of your pocket. No more vehicle. Second guy, hitting all kinds of vehicles. Everyone in the community is going to be after him if they know who he is. And that's probably another reason why nobody did anything. He's probably somebody respected, but he just made a dumb choice. Don't be an idiot. All right. Next video. You got a girl. Lady Boo Thang. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway. Either you have a girl and the relationship is official or you're working on it. You're trying to cross that line. So what do people do whenever they're trying to get into a relationship or impress a female? They do too much. They do way too much. All right. So this video right here is going to be a guy trying to impress some female, and you're going to see how it ends up. Don't try to impress anybody because you're just going to end up looking stupid. Let's check it out.
No! Damn it!
Yeah. Shucks. I'm an idiot.
I'm dead. No, my life's over, Sam. My life's over.
My life's over.
Sam, my life's over.
Is it his dad's car?
Sam, it's over.
Password.
Sam, it's over.
Password.
Sam, no, everything's over.
Sam,
everything's over.
Stop it.
Sam, it's
Call
over.
Eduardo.
Sam, it's over.
Why?
No, my career's over. No, I can't go to school. How am I gonna get to work? How am I gonna go to school? Over. It's over.
Eduardo, we crashed.
It's over.
We crashed.
Okay, at first I was thinking like, let's just make some jokes. This fool totals his vehicle out, and the first thing she wants to do is get his phone so she can go through it. Okay, look, nah, just being dumb. So obviously he was worried, he was scared, and it seemed like she was the one that has a clear mind. Now, there's nobody there. He was trying to impress. She seemed like the one to be calm. Usually females are the ones that are screaming, overreacting. Like I said, I'm not trying to say that all females do that, but more than likely when something happens, they get a little extreme with it. Now, she was the calm one in this situation, and he wasn't even listening to her. I get it though. But anyway, let's call Eduardo. Is that his friend? Come pick us up. Is that his body shop guy? Anyway, when he kept saying my life is over, my life is over, I'm dead, I didn't understand that, like what he meant. I thought it was his dad's car. From what he said was, my career is over, my life is over, because I can't go to school. I have no car. If I have no car, I can't get to class. If I don't get to class, more than likely you see the steps. I get kicked out of school or I fail. Now I can't get my degree and now I can't get a job. So all it takes is one bad decision. Just being an idiot, just trying to impress, just doing too much when you shouldn't. And that can cause you to lose your car, which means you can't get to school. If you don't get to school, you can't pass your classes. No classes, no degree, no career. Was it worth it? Was it? And even though she was cool, what's gonna happen now? Let's just play the looking ahead in the future. So now he has no car, so he's not cool. First and foremost, it looked like it was a Mustang too. Who would have thought? But yeah, he ain't got no car, which means she don't want to deal with nobody that's broke. We don't deal with brokies, so she don't want to deal with nobody that's broke. And now she's gonna leave him, or she's gonna cheat on him and deal with somebody else. But he's never gonna find out because if she's at some other dude's house, it's not like he can pull up and catch him. Think about that. What? You cheating on me? Let me call my Uber. Stupid. Just be smarter out there, man. You know, like, all right. Last video. The last thing you want to do when you're being stupid is see who? The police. Last thing you want to see. And whenever you're dealing with the police, you kind of have to submit, tuck your tail between your legs. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And just humble yourself, because the only thing you want to do is have the cop give you a little pat on the wrist and let you go. That's not the case with this. Let's check it out.
I'm gonna throw a hammer at your car. I'm gonna throw a hammer at your car. I'll slap shit out you, pussy. He's recorded.
Ooh. Look what road rage gets you. You ain't tough no more.
You're fucking dumbass.
No.
Fuck you. Ow. I'm gonna put you my arms along the way. Ow. I'm gonna shoot you. You fucking faggot. You fucking faggot. Get off my fucking shoulder. Ow.
Send it to the cops.
Ow.
Okay, that was impressive. Not the fact that he got in some road rage and threw a random hammer at somebody's car. But even when the cops had their assault rifles on him and handcuffing him on the ground, he was still running his mouth. First he was, ow, my rib. That was funny. But then he kept talking. Dude, he better have a dad who's a judge or plead insanity or something, because what in his right mind would make him think that, number one, that's okay, they're not gonna let you go, and all you're gonna do is irritate and piss him off more. I'm gonna throw a hammer at somebody in the middle of a road, and then I'm gonna go off on the cops with guns on me and as they're handcuffing me. Oh, hey, he's ballsy. I got it. King idiot. King dummy. Hey, I don't even know what to say, man. But anyway, man, hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Big Daniel. If you want to, follow me on IG at Import Life Media. If you guys have any crazy videos, anything you want me to give a reaction to, even some stuff I might want to check out. Import Life Media on IG. Hop in my DMs. Send me what you got. Damn, that sounds nasty. Go to my IG, hop in my DMs, and show me what you got. You guys know what I was talking about. All right. Anyway, like I said, if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. So not only do you always catch the videos whenever I drop, you always see what I have going on, and it helps boost the algorithm so you guys won't miss a thing, and so more people can see this. All right. Let's leave you with something positive. As always, man, be good to other people, be good to yourself, stay blessed. And something positive is don't be an idiot, because you see you're either gonna lose your vehicle by damaging it. Don't be an idiot because you might get arrested. And don't be an idiot because you could put yourself in potential danger and other people in danger. And from that, your life will ever be changed. All right? Signing out. And you already know what I'm about to say. Most important thing. Get those cars built.